Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Rocket Mortgage document uploads to reduce closing delays. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Rocket Mortgage document uploads, first, ensure you have a Rocket Mortgage account. Visit the official Rocket Mortgage website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your loan dashboard. Locate the section labeled Documents or Upload Documents. Click on the Upload Documents button. You will see a list of required documents based on your loan type. Gather the necessary documents you need to upload. Ensure all documents are clear and legible. Select the files from your device that you want to upload. Click on the Choose File button to browse your documents. After selecting your files, review them for accuracy. Once satisfied, click on the Upload button. Wait for the upload process to complete. You will receive a confirmation notification once your documents have been successfully uploaded. If any document fails to upload, check the file format and size. Ensure your documents comply with the specified requirements. If needed, repeat the process for any remaining documents. After all uploads are complete, check your loan dashboard for any alerts. Respond promptly to any requests for additional information. Regularly monitor your account for updates on your loan status. By completing these steps, you can significantly reduce closing delays. Organizing and uploading your documents efficiently facilitates a smoother closing process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.